The Auto Enrollment Gateway, or AEG, is a powerful automation tool for enterprise certificate management. Rather than run an internal CA, a labor-intensive process requiring advanced knowledge of complex PKI environments and up to a quarter of your IT team's time, enterprises can outsource certificate services to GlobalSign's globally trusted, world-class CA infrastructure. AEG acts as a proxy between your Windows environment and GlobalSign's next-gen cloud CA platform, Atlas. Leveraging Windows Server and Active Directory capabilities, AEG automates certificate management, including the enrollment and silent installation of certificates. AEG greatly simplifies the issuance and management of certificates across your entire organization for a variety of use cases, including authenticating users to private networks or other corporate resources, server-to-server communication, machine and device authentication, secure email, two-factor authentication, key roaming and recovery, bulk revocation and provisioning for non-domain joined devices, all without the burden and risk of running an in-house CA. That leaves you free to focus on something other than PKI.